Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. I make a lot of video every day. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. We are currently 3,440 subscribers. I make videos every day. Guys, like, I am not surprised, but I am actually shocked. I knew this was going to happen. I was very confident it was going to happen, but I did not know how soon. If you look at my trading view, you see that I've marked a lot of resistance zone because I've been following this token. I told a lot of people to invest in this particular token, Sandbox and Mana. Yeah, and I am surprised even now that the market is in a blockade. Almost every cryptocurrency is down. Sandbox and Mana are actually doing massive numbers. Look at this. Sandbox is number 51 token. I'm going to open Sandbox in the link in the new tab. But look at every other cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Every other token is red. Like, there's a bloodbath, there's a huge market correction. SRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, everything is down minus AVAX. Then look at this one that is green. The central land has done 44%. Why every cryptocurrency is down? And the unique thing about these two tokens that are up, Sandbox and the central land, is that the both tokens are under the metaverse ecosystem. Now, Sandbox has done 99%. In the last 3 days, is that it has done massive numbers. Like, from my trading view, I was checking, it has done 92%. If you invested in Sandbox somewhere around here, like around this place when it was $2.35, right now you have made close to almost 100% of your money back from this token. How did this happen? I'll explain to you. When Facebook made an announcement that they were going to be involved in the metaverse ecosystem, the tokens in the metaverse ecosystem began to gain a lot of attention, and one of the tokens that was leading them was Axie Infinity. After Axie Infinity, we had Decentraland, Mana, and we had Sandbox. Now, this unique thing about Decentraland and Mana is the fact that these tokens were already in the metaverse ecosystem, and a lot of people have started investing, but they were very, very undervalued. Like, they were undervalued because they did not have a lot of attention. But immediately that announcement was made, Decentraland had a huge pump, and it was worth $303.3 from somewhere around this place, less than $1. I think it was, before then it was around $0.9, less than $1, but it moved to $3.3. And there was a strong resistance here. There was a huge correction downward, and it came back to retest. Unfortunately, it broke the resistance zone, and the way it is going, it has been going up. It has broken this resistance zone. It has created a new all-time high, and we don't even know what is going to happen next. We don't know if this token, because a lot of people are projected this token is going to hit like $4.5, $5 by the end of this year, and we are just into the year. I mean, we are just in the month of November. It's less than a month that this projection was made, and this token has already done this. We cannot even estimate how far it is going to go, but there are chances that this token is going to do mad numbers. Well, if you come to Sandbox, you're going to see that Sandbox is a project that is worth investing in, because you can actually make a lot of money from Sandbox, especially in the metaverse ecosystem. Sandbox is a game token that has a lot of potentials. Like, it's currently on the watch list of over 478,000 people, and the market capitalization is currently worth $3 billion. If you come here, there's a lot of project that is ongoing in the Sandbox space. I did a video one time where I was talking about all the things that Sandbox is planning to launch by the end of this year in accordance with the metaverse ecosystem, and they'll have a lot of good partners. Snoop Dogg is a partner, Walking Dead, Richie Howitt, the Smurfs. They have a lot of partners on this Sandbox project, and they have a lot of projects coming up. I might not be able to explain all this right now, but I just want to talk about why this token is going up. Because one thing people need to understand is a token cannot just go up if you don't have solid reason. Like, there must be something that is happening. Maybe they just launched a new project. Maybe there's a news that broke out about this token. So one thing I did was, when I saw that this token was going up and it was just doing massive numbers, I decided to find the news of why this token was going up, and I found something. Yeah, look at this, guys. From the news I found from Republic World, my network is a little bit down. Please make sure you just stay so that I can read this news. Now, they say Sandbox is a virtual gaming ecosystem that attracts partners to the NFT gaming platform. It is run on the Ethereum blockchain and Unity software. Now, any token in the a virtual gaming token is actually a token in the metaverse ecosystem, and lately tokens in metaverse ecosystem have been gaining massive attention because of Facebook, Microsoft, and every big multinational that have decided to explore the metaverse ecosystem. Now, if you look at this story here, they said in an update to the cryptocurrency market trend, Sandbox NFT Gaming, in an investment round led by SoftBank Vision, raised $93 million earlier in November. Right, the Sandbox token price saw its all-time high of $3.45, like I explained in the chart, which was up to 120% compared to November 1st. Sandbox is a virtual gaming ecosystem that attracts partners to the NFT gaming platform. It is run on the Ethereum blockchain and the Unity software that operates on play-to-earn game model. This system is similar for Axie Infinity, which is also in the metaverse, where players use Sand as their utility token and allow them to build their own and monetize their own gaming experience. The same thing with Decentraland. Now, Axie Infinity is the most valuable cryptocurrency right now in the metaverse ecosystem space. Now, Sandbox ecosystem features an asset creation tool called Vox Edit for producing non-fungible token to be used in the game, which act as NFT marketplace for creators to trade their assets. So you can actually produce non-fungible tokens, for creators to trade their asset and make money. While Sandbox Game Maker allows creators on the Sandbox platform to build, share, and monetize 3D games, Sand token holders can vote via a decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) on key decisions related to the platform. I want to find out why this token is going up, right? There's a lot of things happening. Now, they said Pizzo launched Sandbox back in year 2011. Entrepreneurs Otto Madrid, Sebastian and Co. were acquired by Let's Go. According to the Sandbox white paper, the decentralized ownership and control of the user-generated content in the current game marketplace limits creators' right and ownership. Players created central control over the trading virtual discs. Okay, they said the Sandbox game wrote on Twitter. Look at this. Developers are allowed to scale up their growth and strategy with $93 million investment. With this further demonstrates SoftBank Vision interest in the next generation Web3 and decentralization. So Sandbox already started, investing in Web3 and decentralization. And the Sandbox game wrote on Twitter that adding new strategic partners such as Liberty City Ventures and Galaxy Interactive will also benefit the Sandbox global reach and expand the network of brands, IPs, and the gaming studios interested in entering an open metaverse focused on a player-owned economy and user-generated content. So this information that they gave, that they are adding new strategic partners, they are adding Liberty City Ventures, they are adding Galaxy Interactive, to help them expand their network, made people understand that this project is very focused. They are going to, if they invest in it, they're going to make more money. Like, the goal is there, because early November they've already raised $93 million, and Sandbox has a lot of strong partnership, like I showed you in the official website. Like, people partnering with them are so strong. Their game is very on point. They have a very good strong base, and they have over $3 billion market capitalization, which makes the token a token that is worth investing your money in. So this way, all this news are what is making Sandbox go up. And the truth is, right now we cannot even project how fast Sandbox will go before the end of this year, but the potentials with this token is so, how would I put it, so limitless. Like, it is in the metaverse ecosystem. Metaverse is the next big thing to happen in the crypto space, and a lot of people can make money. So I'm going to take a time to review the Sandbox white paper and tell you guys what the direction that this token is going. But right now, Sandbox is actually doing massive numbers, while every other token is struggling. Tokens in the metaverse ecosystem, particularly Sandbox and Decentraland, have done massive work. And in the last 3 days, Sandbox has, been very, very strong. These are strong bullish candles, which means that this token still has chance of going up and, pumping up, right? That being said, this is where I'm going to stop this video. If you have any other opinion or any other reason why Sandbox is going up that I have not mentioned, maybe I am not aware of, please make sure you leave that in the comment section so that we can learn from each other. But for now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. And I hope to see you in my next video where I give another premium content.